Welcome back to Junk and Clunkers. I am Grady, your host as normal. We're going to start this one with a little bit different than we normally do, guys. We lost Daisy on Saturday morning. Old age caught up with her. And, she went pretty peacefully. And a lot of people online have already said their sorries, and I appreciate that very much. I just wanted to just let everybody know, so you don't wonder why you don't see Daisy or hear about Daisy in the videos anymore. She was about 16 years old, very grumpy girl, so grumpy. But let me tell you something, she was a huge part of this family, a huge part of this channel. She's gonna be greatly missed. So we love you, Daisy. Hopefully she's up there chasing the OGs, Apollo and Jessica, up there in heaven. So with that being said, guys, it's time for the 66 Mustang to make its appearance. So in the last video you've seen, I talked a little bit about my mishaps and whatnot with it. With what happened this weekend and it being a long weekend, I didn't do any recording. So today is Tuesday. I'm going to try to get a video out tonight. So we've got to get the doors off this, the trunk, get the wire peeled back, seats out of it, and all the other stuff, all the parts that we have, any other miscellaneous. We're going to try and get it to the point where we raise the vehicle, set it down on jack stands, and have it level. I don't think we're going to get to cutting into the metal today. We'll see what happens. Editing a video does take some time. Uploading it does take some time. So I'm trying to be as consistent as possible, get you guys the content that I want to get you. I can hear Blue barking. So let's get at it. Alright, guys, here, clean up our mess here. Hopefully the fan doesn't give off too much noise. We got the garage door shut so people don't bother me. They see that door open, everybody flocks. It's pretty hard to record something when there's a bunch of people around, so. Hopefully everybody had a great weekend. Everybody thank the vet. Gosh, so much stuff. All right, let's see if we can get this trunk off. I think they are 13s. What are the odds of having the exact same ratchet and socket ready to go? What are the odds, everybody? Where, oh, where do I put this thing? Alright guys, so let's see if we can take some stuff out. Alright guys, hope you can hear me. Got the fan going, the AC going, nice and cool in the shop. I'm actually loving that a lot. Doors are going to come off. I'm going to keep them latched so it doesn't fall on me. There's going to be 6 bolts right up here in the front. Of course. Come on, man. Sounds like my battery might be dying, guys. Hopefully we can get through this little part. Oh, don't you start. The last one's gonna be a pain. Come on. Ah, our battery died. What a surprise. a bit rusty. Alright, so I'm going to grab it by the handle on the inside. Drop it down. These doors are hefty compared to nowadays, let me tell you. Holy cheeseburgers. Holy cheeseburgers. Set it off to the side. We won't need you for a while. Let's go do the other one, guys. Hey! Alright. Alright, guys. Hopefully you can hear with the fan right here. No! Anyhow, hopefully we can get to all these bolts like we did the other one. So much better. Like, share, subscribe, everybody. Yeah, I don't know. I think we're gonna put this door almost where you guys are, actually. Wow, this has got some goopy on it. Kind of think that might have been a backing plate. I'm not sure. Whatever it was, it went down in. Nobody put subscribers in the corner. Nobody. And let's see if we can pull my back out on this one. 1, 2, 3, crunch. Oh, not much room in here. So much more room without doors. I didn't do it. Lies. Where the heck am I going to put this door? Could put it on the other side, I suppose. It'll be in the way. Let's just push it down this way a little bit. Down. Probably right in the way when I go to jack the thing up, you know. It'll be okay. Just get on in there. Yeah, perfect. Ah! Look at this. Yo, should we go for a ride with no doors at the end of this? Tell me in the comment section. What's next, everybody? We gotta get that seat out of there. Alright. So what we're doing here, guys. Alright, so what we're gonna do here is this seat's gonna come out. Obviously we're not rolling around anymore. There's no need for it. There's 4 holes directly under the seat. There should be plugs. There were no plugs when I put the seat back in many years ago, so there is no plugs now. But directly under the seat here, under the cab of it, there's 4 holes. Alright guys, so we are now under the vehicle. I wanted to show you some of the stuff. The front frame rails and torque boxes are all brand new. And as you can see, they're not tied into the floor, which is absolutely a great thing because we don't have to worry about getting those welds off. The front, so basically the whole front clip is all brand new. Yeah, it's got some rust on it, but we'll take care of that.
while we're doing the rest of this. The floors are in terrible shape. They're not the worst, but they have been patched, which I'll show you when we go up the top. They have been patched, and yeah, so let's see if we can get you to the great parts here. So as you can see, the worst parts are right here. If you can see it, it's kind of hard to, but your rear torque box is all rotted. It's completely rotted. As far as the rear frame section, we'll go back there in just a second and show that a little bit. You can just see it's not in great shape. This is why we're doing what we're doing. Let me crawl under the way back. That's where the worst of it is. Hold on. All right, show you the best I can from here. Right over where the light is, that is all rotted. The frame rail is all rotted on both sides. I have a 9-inch rear end, came out of a GT, I believe it was, that will be converting this over to 5 lug. You can see some rot here, guys. Looks like somebody had replaced at least sections of this frame rail at some point in time. But let's go open the cab, we'll show you that. So see it down in here. I had my buddy repair this. We just did a Bondo job years ago to make it look a little better. Yeah, this is the side. You can see it was all Bondoed. It's not tied in, it's not sealed. Nothing is in great shape. Let's get this seat out of here, guys. Set this off to the side. Okay. Open up doors. Not meaning to. Hey, let's bring you in here and take a look at it. This is the first look. We'll walk over to the other side so I can show you that. Floors aren't terrible over here until you get to this point. Nothing's tied in at all, at least not great. Floor extensions, looks like somebody just boogered some other panels on top of other panels. This panel isn't even fully in. They didn't cut it out. As you can see, they didn't cut it out at all and set it into place. Or what I'm trying to say, guys, is it's not great. Same way with this one. You can see there's a hole right there. It's because they didn't set it in. They didn't cut it out and set it in. Let's go to the other side. Start in the back. Back looks okay. You get to the pan. Yeah, somebody once again just overlapped them. And then I had to get to something by the transmission and I couldn't reach it. It's before my lift. And that's what I ripped up, and I was like, all right. At that point in time, I was like, yep, we're gonna go with full new floor. As you can see,
Somebody just overlapped everything. They didn't cut it out like they should. They do make, obviously, the sections, as you can see, and they can work if you do it right. But when you're just covering rot, the cancer never stops. It'll just continue to rot and rust, you know. So that's the inside of the cab. All right, guys, it is it's about noon on Tuesday. We got some stuff done on it. Not exactly everything I wanted to. I wanted to get it up in the air, but like I said, I still need to edit this video to get it out to you guys. I'm gonna try and do another video this week, to kind of like a freebie video. I might end up trying to do 2 videos a week. Don't hold me to it. If it's something you'd like to see, why don't you go ahead and put that down in the comment section. Mustang has got a long way to go, but now you guys have a better idea of what we're dealing with. I mean, the next video we'll be jacking it up and leveling it out. Haven't done this before, so if you guys have done this, contact me. I would love to hear what's the proper way to do all this. I do believe that I need to lift it up into the air, put it on 4 jack stands, probably on the pinch weld. I wouldn't imagine, well, you can't go on the rear frame. So pinch welds probably off the rocker, and level it side to side, up and down. And then I have old bed frames that I'm going to weld temporary braces in the cab, so the vehicle doesn't collapse on itself and doesn't shift and move as we're tearing it apart and putting it back together. Like I said, I'm learning. If you guys know what you're doing, contact me. I'd love to hear it. And yeah, so that's gonna do it for this video. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Channel's growing. I mean, it's crazy y'all watch me. All I'm doing is just doing my normal stuff, just talking to a camera at this point. But I really appreciate everybody, and everybody that has sent their well wishes and their prayers for Daisy. Once again, she passed away on Saturday morning. It was a very rough weekend for all of us. Actually, I didn't even show you guys. Ended up getting a memorial tattoo for her, and the guy knocked it out of the park. Looks just like her. Awesome guy. So appreciate him very much. And we need you guys to go ahead and share out these videos. Let's keep growing. Let's get this channel going. Remember, the guy that screwed me over on this work needs to see this. He needs to see what we're doing. So he doesn't win. We win. Everybody, have a great day. We will see you again at some point in time this week. Probably Friday. We'll do some more Mustang stuff. Just an FYI, tractor will be coming back to the channel. We got some problems. Who knew, huh? Sitting 18 years. Check us out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. I don't know what else. Email us at junkerclunkers@Yahoo. P.O. box is in the description if you have any letters you'd like to send, or anything you'd like to send. We appreciate you all very much. Have yourself a great Tuesday.